Hi, welcome to Maggie's Food Gallery. Today we're gonna make a microwave made chocolate cake. This is very simple and easy. We just need three main ingredients. First, we need 1 1/2 cup of crushed Oreo, 1/2 cup of brown sugar, 3/4 cup of milk. You can use evaporated or fresh milk. We also need oil. This is for the greasing of our cake pan or Llanera, and melted butter, which is optional. I just wanted to add these ingredients to our cake. For the chocolate ganache, we need 1/2 cup of chocolate and 1/2 cup of all-purpose cream. So this is our cake pan or our Llanera. It is lined with parchment paper. So let's start. First, we need to make our chocolate cake. We need to combine our crushed Oreo and brown sugar. Mix thoroughly. Then we need to add the milk. Okay. Let's add it gradually to the dry ingredient. So guys, this is the three main ingredients for our chocolate cake. With these three ingredients, you can already make this recipe. So let's just make sure that everything is well incorporated. Add up 2 tablespoons of butter. By the way, in this video, I am using 1/4 teaspoon. That explains why I put a lot of butter using that measurement. So when everything is thoroughly mixed, so let's grease the side of our Llanera or cake pan using the oil. We don't need to grease the bottom of our cake pan because we already lined it with a parchment paper. Okay, this time we will be pouring the butter to the cake pan. Make sure that you divide it equally. Alright, that's it. Now let's put it in the microwave oven. Set it to medium heat and let it cook within 5 minutes. The cooking time will matter on how big your cakes are. But for this medium-sized Llanera, we just need 5 minutes to fully cook the cake. So let's check. Let's use the toothpick method. And the toothpick came out clean, so it's cooked. Let's set aside and let it cool. Alright, let's make the chocolate ganache. First, we need 1/2 cup of all-purpose cream, Let's heat it in the microwave for about 30 seconds. After 30 seconds, pull it out and add up the chocolate. Heat for another 10 to 15 seconds. Mix it until the chocolate and all-purpose cream is fully incorporated. Let's refrigerate the chocolate ganache for 10 minutes. When the cake has already cooled down and the chocolate ganache has already been refrigerated, let's put it together. Alright, remove our cake to the Llanera. Don't forget to remove the parchment paper. Let's cover it with the chocolate ganache. Spread it properly. Okay, we're done. You can serve it this way or you can put a topping. For the first one, I decided to put a peanut. And for the other one, grated chocolate. But you can always design it the way you want it. So this is our final product. This is another simple and easy recipe you can try at home. If you enjoyed our video, please comment, like, and subscribe. Hit the notification bell for more updates on new videos.